Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more informative content. HealthWarehouse, a comprehensive online pharmacy review. In this review, we'll explore HealthWarehouse, a trusted online pharmacy offering a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your medication needs. Find direct links to their products in the description below for easy access. HealthWarehouse is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, affordable, and FDA-approved online pharmacy solution. As a verified internet pharmacy practice site, VIPPS, it adheres to stringent industry standards for safety and quality, giving you peace of mind. A standout feature is their vast catalog of prescription medications, over-the-counter drugs, and medical supplies. The user-friendly website makes browsing, comparing, and ordering a seamless experience. If you're uninsured or simply looking for better prices, HealthWarehouse often offers competitive pricing, frequently lower than traditional pharmacies. Free shipping is available on qualifying orders, further enhancing the value proposition. Managing chronic conditions is simplified with automatic prescription refills, helpful reminders, and transparent pricing. HealthWarehouse also prioritizes privacy for those ordering sensitive medications. Registration is straightforward, and the website provides clear instructions for uploading or transferring prescriptions. In my own experience, customer service was exceptional, readily available via phone and email to address any questions regarding prescription verification, billing, or other concerns. Orders were processed efficiently, and I appreciated the detailed tracking updates. Importantly, all medications are sourced from licensed U.S. suppliers and undergo rigorous quality checks before shipment. This commitment to safety and quality is paramount. HealthWarehouse is an ideal solution for individuals, families, seniors, and anyone seeking convenient access to high-quality pharmaceuticals from the comfort of their home. It combines affordability, convenience, and peace of mind in a user-friendly platform. Explore HealthWarehouse for yourself using the links in the description and share your thoughts in the comments below.